देशात लोकसभेची वेंचणूक जाली, निकालूय लागलो. दक्षिण गोंयची भाजपाची पल्लवी धेंपो ही सगळ्यांत गिरेस्त उमेदवार जिचो पराभव जाला असो रिपोर्ट ADRन दिला. तशेंच लोकसभेत जैत मेळयल्ल्या 46% उमेदवारांचेर क्रिमिनल केशी आसात म्हूण रिपोर्टान मांडला. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Are obviously not the true representative. Because out of 543, suppose we have 42%, which is close to 200 odd. 42% Indians are not crores and not having more than 10 crores. 227 are 10 crores and above. Okay, which is 42%. 5 crores and above, 103. So if you look at 5 crores and above, is 330, more than 50%. Obviously in India, we don't have 50% of the population having more than 5 crores. I'm sure all will agree with me. There won't be any this thing. And that's what it is. Yeah? Now we come to, after all this, we come to gender report, which is more of an academic thing. And ideally, everyone talks about 33% empowerment to the women. But what has happened is we have elected, Indians have elected 74 out of 543. Women are elected, which is 14%. The pink band in that pie chart. And 469 are men, 86%. That percentage of women has to increase. Is the objective of just about every political party and of the government also. This will tell you in nutshell the entire story of 2024 elections. On your left, the four quadrants talk about the candidates. Please get it correct. On the right side are the four quadrants which talks about the winners. 543 winners. Okay? Please, I'll explain to you. I'll explain it to you very clearly. Okay? So please see. On the left side, we have only candidates, and we are talking about 8,360 candidates totally in this entire election. Out of which 1643, which is 20% candidates had criminal cases, 14% out of them had serious criminal cases. These are all candidates for this 543 seats. So many were Crorepati, 31%, 6.23 was average assets of candidates, 6.23 crores. Let's look at the winners on the right side. Look at the winners. They tell you the story of where we are, and this is something which is very important. So, number of candidates, they themselves were not true representatives of Indians. So the 20 candidates having 20%. Out of every 100, 20 criminals, but still candidates. The winners, it is still shocking. Look at the winners. 46% were having some criminal case, out of which 31% are serious crimes. Serious crimes are the three names: rape, murder, assault on women, all sorts of things.